Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Facebook to X, formerly known as Twitter. While direct integration options have changed, there are still effective ways to share your content across both platforms. We'll explore the current methods and discuss why some older connections no longer work. This guide will help you streamline your social media presence efficiently. You might be wondering why the direct connection between Facebook and X isn't as straightforward as it once was. Both platforms have updated their application programming interfaces, or APIs, which has led to the discontinuation of many direct linking features. This means you can't simply link them from within Facebook settings anymore. However, don't worry, there are still excellent solutions available. Since direct connections are out, third-party automation tools become your best friends. Services like IFT, which stands for If This Then That, and Zapier are excellent choices. These platforms allow you to create custom rules, often called applets or zaps, that automatically share your Facebook posts to X. You can set up triggers, such as a new Facebook post, to initiate an action, like posting to X. When cross-posting, it's important to remember that each platform has its own unique audience and best practices. While automation is convenient, consider tailoring your content slightly for X's character limits and typical engagement style. Don't feel compelled to automate every single post. Sometimes a manual share with a specific X-friendly caption works best. Always monitor your engagement to see what resonates most with your followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.